So welcome back data structure online class. Before that I explained implementation of stack using array in earlier video. Now we will see implementation of queue using array. So this is our program for queue using array. Stack is lost in first out. Here queue is first in first out. That is the difference of stack and queue. Okay, the first item will be removed on first. That is first in first out. Before in stack lost in first out, that is a reverse. It's a reverse logic. So here you can define a size equal to 10. Okay, the size of the queue is 10. That is front equal to 0, end equal to -1. There are two uh, static declaration. That is queue front, then end, front and end. For front equal to 0, then end equal to -1. Then after that you can create a class, that is queue. The class name is queue. Here the size will be indicated on 10. That is size equal to 10. Here there are three functions: insert function, dequeue function, and view. So insert for uh, push on to the element into the queue, that is remove on to the queue, that is dequeue. So then finally you display the queue. The first function, we go to the first function, that is function insert. That is void queue. Yeah, void queue insert. So when it insert, if end double equal to size -1, that is size -1 means the queue is full. So on the time the items could not insert into the queue. Or the else function plus plus end, if the condition becomes true, in the else condition is true, from the queue is inserted, that is the item will be inserted onto the queue successfully. So there are two conditions. One is if the size is -1, it could not insert. If the size is that is the end is plus plus, so the item is inserted successfully. So this is known as insert a queue. Then another function is dequeue or delete queue. So when it's delete a queue, that is end is uh, less than 0. If the condition is true, the queue is underflow because the queue is empty. Or if the front is plus plus, the else condition is true, the item of the queue is deleted, that is popped. Then last function, view display. If the queue is not empty, the item will be displayed. If the queue is empty, it could not be viewed. From the main function there are four options, that is insert for the option 1 for insert, option 2 for delete, option 3 for display, option 4 for exit. Whenever you enter the choice will be indicating insert for 1 for insert, 2 for delete, 3 for display, and 4 for exit. Okay, so this is our uh, stack, that is the implementation of queue with arrays. Just I copy the program. So after that you go to open dev C++. So this is our compiler. The name is dev C++. Go to open dev C++. So here you can create a new project. So from the new project, before select console application, and here you give the project name. Project name is exercise number 2. Then okay. is the source file. So you can copy this. So from select file menu, under the file menu you can select the new source file, then copy the program. So this is our program for implementing queue using array. So then go to execute. Here you can go to execute. That is for first you can compile. The file name is, give the file name q dots q.cpp. Save. There is one error. So now I want to execute this program. Go to execute, select F11 or compile and run. So directly run on your project. First I select the option insert. So first item is 10. I give the item for 10. Enter into queue. As I want to continue, for press Y. And then again select insert for option 1. The one more item is pushed onto the queue. Okay, it is successfully added to the queue. Then again continue for push for type Y. Then again one more item will be inserted. You select insert for option 1 and then give 30. Then I want to continue. Now I want to delete one item. For select option 2, the item will be deleted. The before in the item first, that is a 10, is deleted. The remaining 20 and 30 is still in the queue. So continue for Y. Now the third option for displaying the queue. Before delete, there are 3 items there. After deleting, 2 items in the queue. So I give the option 3. So 20, 30 is there. The 10 is deleted. So after that, the continue, press Y. Then you give 4 for exit the program. So this is for implementation of queue using array. Okay, thank you. இந்த ஒரு நிமிஷம்